Welcome to today's video. We are going to be taking a deep dive into the sound of my BMW F10 M5 with 200 cell high flow catalytic converter downpipes. So the downpipes are changed, they're smaller catalytic converter, more free flowing, more sound. That's the only modification to the exhaust system that we have. Other than that, it's a stock competition exhaust with valve controls that I have from Valvetronic. I'm gonna give you guys a cold start and a bunch of videos so you can hear how it sounds. Let's go. The cold start's gonna start with the valves closed, and then after like 10 seconds, I'll open it to valves open, because that's really what we care about. Big difference when I open the valves, which are open now, and closed. The tone is much quieter, but all right guys, so that was basically a cold start. There is a little bit of fumes when you start it in the garage. You definitely smell it. My wife always complains about it, but I always drive with the valves open. Because it's on the inside of the car, it is just so freaking quiet that you hear absolutely nothing from the car. So when the light turns green here, we're gonna, the car is still cold, so we're just gonna slowly drive, get it up to temp. But I'll just give you like an idea of how quiet it is in here. Like, you really get no hints of exhaust tone whatsoever. So that's why we just need more sound. I mean, there's absolutely zero exhaust note when just, casually accelerating. Nothing at all. When you really put your foot into it, then you do hear some of the exhaust, but like, I want to be able to hear a little bit more exhaust just casually cruising around like this, so yeah. I'll get you more sound clips of the car from the outside revving and some acceleration runs once the car is up to temp and I find some open roads. But yeah, let's talk about it later.